Hello everyone. As project manager, I need to find a good team in order to finish my project with full succeed. I already deliver a video regarding this process, but already I used VLOOKUP, but right now I'm going to use XLOOKUP in order to find more tools to be more fit and more easy to use in order to apply what you want in order to build your team in your project based on the skills that you need. For example, this is the skills that I need here, and this is the rank of the skills for 0 not qualified, 1 intermediate, 2 qualified, 3 professional, and 4 super fit. For me, I like to hire 2, 3, and 4 qualified, professional, and super fit. Now, this is the team that I have, and here these are the skills that I want to include in my project. Now here, because this is just for teaching, I'm gonna create this one. I'm gonna say equal random. Then I'm gonna find random between in order to create randomization for this number to build my teaching process. Now the lowest number is 0 and the highest number is 4. Then I'm gonna hit enter. This number came randomly. Then I'm gonna drag down in order to create more random numbers, and now drag left or drag right. After that, because this including function, if I double click, you're gonna find function here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy it and paste it as number, copy it and paste as number. Now I have no functions. Okay, here, for example, for Isaac, and the leadership is super fit, then I need to find if I need to hire him for my project or not hire him. Here, I'm going to start with this process. Now I'm going to create data validation. I'm going to go to data. Then I'm going to create data validation here. And I'm going to look by the list because I need to include these names. Okay, this names of the people who gonna hired in my project. After that, I'm gonna hit okay. Then I'm gonna find those people are hired in my project. The next step is I need to come to this skills and shade them, then copy them and go to the next page and paste them as column. I took them as row and I'm going to change them as column. I have multi-choice. For example, I need to go to paste special and hit transpose. Then I'm going to say okay. Now this came to me as column as what I want. Okay, here, for example, if I need to change it from a row to paste this as column, I can paste as this and select this one, or I can go to home. Then I'm going to click paste and go to this one and click it. Now I need to build my XLOOKUP equal XLOOKUP. Then first lookup value, where is the lookup value? This is the lookup value that I want by selecting what I want. Then for lookup array, where I got this name from, then I need to go to my sheet and say I got this from here. Then I need to go to my sheet again and say what I need for return array. Where is my return array that I want? For example, I want to match project skill with the right number. This is a return array. Then I'm going to go to follow the project skills. Then I'm going to select this one. Then I'm going to come here. If you see here, I selected everything from sheet 1, but here they consider sheet 2. but I will change this to sheet 1, and I'm going to change the another one to sheet 1. Okay, then I'm going to hit enter. After that, I'm going to create another XLOOKUP in order to include other columns that included the team player, cost estimation, and data analysis. Then I'm going to go to say equal XLOOKUP. Then for lookup array, lookup value, this value that I want, then lookup array, I selected this column from here. Then he asked me what I want to match with the leadership skills or with the names. For return array, then I'm going to go to return array and say the leadership skills. After that, I'm going to come to sheet 2, change it to 1 because I got this data from sheet 1, and change this to sheet 1 as well. Then I'm going to hit enter. Now for data analysis, here is data analysis. I need to get these numbers. Then I'm going to go say equal XLOOKUP for lookup value. This is the lookup value, the names that I created from the sheet 1. Then I'm gonna comma, do comma. Then after that lookup array where I got this name from, then I'm gonna go to the name and shade them. After that, I'm gonna do a comma. Then I'm gonna add more arguments. Return an array, what I want to do. Then I'm going to go to data analysis here to get the column of data analysis here. Then I'm going to shade data analysis. After that, I need to return to my sheet and change this to 1 because I got my data from sheet 1. Then I'm going to hit enter. Now for team player, I'm going to say equal XLOOKUP. Then I'm going to hit this column, the names. After that, you're going to ask me, where did you get these names? I got these names from here. I'm going to include all the column. Then you're going to ask me, what is the return array? You want me to match team player with what you want? Then I'm going to go here to the team player and say, include this, please. After that, I need to change to 1 because I got this data from sheet 1. Then change this to sheet 1 as well. After that, I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to go to last one, XLOOKUP. Now I'm going to include this name that I'm going to select in order to change my selection to get more qualified people to hire in my project. After that, where I got this name from this column. Then you're gonna ask me what the return array you want me to match cost estimation with which name and what data that you want me to match. Then I'm gonna go to include this data in my selection. Then I'm gonna return to my selection. Then I'm gonna, because this gonna work because like sheet 2, but when I change this, it's gonna be hide for this one. Why? Because I got my data from sheet 1, not sheet 2. Same what I have here. I'm gonna change it to sheet 1. After that, I'm gonna hit enter. Now there is not available value here or not available number here because I did not select who I'm gonna hire. But right now I'm gonna include this one. For this one, I'm gonna create another columns, and then I'm gonna copy it. Then I'm gonna go to insert. Then I'm gonna go to more charts here. After that, I'm gonna go to radar. Then I'm gonna hit enter. Then this radar has selected. Now chart title, I don't need a chart title. And for data analysis, for everything, I'm gonna go to home and say, for example, I need to make it bigger to be understood very well. After that, I'm gonna put it in the right position. Then after that, I need to go to find another column for paragraph or histogram. Then I'm gonna go to more charts. Then I'm gonna go to columns. Then in columns, I'm gonna select whatever I want. For example, I need this one or that one because I have no values. Then I'm gonna select this one. Then I'm gonna make it smaller, more smaller to be included with this figure. Okay, here I don't, for this chart, I don't need axis, or I need axis, but I don't need grid lines. Okay, now I don't need grid lines, and also title, I don't need title as well. Now, how can I work with this figure? Now, if you see this figure, how to work, I'm going to take this chart down. Then now I'm going to change the color of my chart, format chart area. Then I'm going to go to painting. Then I'm going to fill this one with color, for example, yellow. And this one, for example, with the color is green. Okay, now everything okay. Now I'm gonna hire people. I'm gonna see who I'm gonna hire in my project. Then I'm gonna go to first one, Isaac, for example. Then Isaac is good in the leadership. Oh, is good in leadership. If you see here, is very good in the leadership. Only leadership is good. And also he has in team player and cost estimation. Okay, is qualified, but if I can find more, then I'm gonna change Isaac with Fred. Okay, Fred is very good in cost estimation, and also data analysis is good. Team player as well is good. Then I'm gonna change this for Ran. Oh, Ran is very good in data analysis and cost estimation. This means this man gonna be hired in my project as data analysis and cost estimation, and also he has good skills in project skills and leadership. Then Ran is the first one that I'm gonna hire in my project to make sure my project gonna be succeed. Then I'm gonna see another one, for example, Matt. Matt is, oh, he has good skills. Matt is the second one that gonna hire in my project because he has good skills for project skills here, project skills, and cost estimation. He gonna work he gonna work with Ran in order to build good estimation. Based on this, I can find it based on my requirement in my project, and based on the team skills, I can match the skills with the requirement for my project in order to hire my team. At this point, I finished explaining how to use XLOOKUP, and also I already provide the video that I used the VLOOKUP If you like this video, if you watch it and find any question or something, just write down in your comment, and you are very welcome to ask any question. And also, I'm gonna answer you as soon as get your question. Thank you and have wonderful time. Bye.